we just gonna laugh to start out the video? The button clicked and Mishi starts laughing. This is our friend Mishi Kozu. She is a leader at Whitman Wildlife. Proud graduate of Seattle Pacific University.
Hey, go Falcons!
A resident intern at Ballard Church.
Hey, go BC!
There you go. And you're wearing your name tag from work today.
You know, Mishi Kozu.
Mishi's here because we're continuing to meet the leaders in Northwest Seattle Young Life. Mishi, tell us why lead Young Life?
Why not? When I was in high school, I was involved in Young Life, and it changed my life. So now, I'm back in action.
There you go.
Leading at Whitman.
Person impacting the lives of kids because somebody impacted her life because they got to know her, spend their life with her.
Yeah.
And you've been different ever since. So let's see. What else could we ask? What's the best Christmas gift you ever got in your entire life? Best Christmas present.
Can I talk about the Christmas gift I'm about to get?
Yeah.
I'm about to get my smell back, friends.
Oh, yes!
It's going to happen.
Mishi doesn't smell, but we've been praying and she believes that soon she will be able to smell.
It's going to be a Christmas gift.
And what better season to smell than Christmas?
It's the best smell of the world.
It is.
Or in the world.
Thanks so much. Serve well. Keep going. See you.